Did you know you can make money for talking? Just go to voices.com and sign up for a free account. You can even showcase your education, past project work history, client list, and testimonials if you have some already. Creating a Voices profile is always free. You will receive invitations from clients who find your profile while searching the Voices marketplace. All you have to do is submit your response with a custom or existing sample, a proposal, and your quote, all in a matter of minutes. Get paid guaranteed. Never chase down payment. Your pay is held safely by Voices and released automatically to you via PayPal once the work is completed. You can start making money today. For more ways to make money online, take a look at the links in the description of this video.